This is just unboxing the LS2 Advant X Carbon fiber helmet. There it is. Throw the box off the side. LS2 Carbon fiber helmet. Okay, they give you a dark shield along with the clear shield. They give you a backpack. And the helmet's in the backpack. And they give you a Pinlock for the clear shield. LS2 clear shield. Now let's open up this cool backpack. Inside the backpack here, we'll unzip it. And wow, it comes in a nice cover, helmet cover. There's the backpack. And here's the cover. This is the carbon fiber matte black. And there she is right there. Feels pretty light. And it's pretty matted black. And I'm liking it so far because it's so lightweight. So there you are. And this one's a medium. It says medium on it right there. And this is the shield. Pull these little stickers up here. Pull the shield, little stickers up off the shield. I'm just going to stick it right there. And they got one on this side. I'm going to just stick it right there. Okay, so we'll pull the shield up. Pull the chin bar all the way back like so. Flip the dark shield down like that. Flip it back up. Flip the shield down like so, and that down like that. Yeah, I really like it. It's a nice lightweight helmet. Jamie, Christmas, yeah, that's good. Okay, the LS2 Advant X matte black carbon helmet. They give this really nice bag that fits over the helmet. And you know, I've gotten a lot of helmets in my life, and they always come with nice bags, but this one here's pretty quality. I mean, it's got all this lettering on it and stuff, and it is thicker than most of them. But all my life of getting motorcycle helmets, I've never really ever used one, so I really don't have any use for it. So I can toss that one too. They put some money into that thing. And also this backpack was, I mean, you probably spend a little money to get a little backpack like this for your helmet. And the helmet fits in the back, and although it won't fit in my motorcycle, or I wouldn't take it on my motorcycle on a day ride or even a long distance ride, but it is a nice backpack, and your helmet fits in there. You can carry it around. And they did some research on it, I suppose, and R&D, whatever they call it. Got a little pocket there. It's a nice backpack, but I would rather just save the money on the helmet rather than have something like this. And so I'll probably just, you know, toss that thing too. So, yeah.